thinking altogether about not going to school, but I don't want to stop. I already started, might as well finish it. Good morning. This is the end of week 2 and I'm getting ready for school. I'm gonna have my first filling, and it's bagels and coffee. So for week 2 I had lost 2 pounds, but I'm closer to my period, so I gained them back. I think that's what happened because I've been following the program the same way. But so far, I've lost 16 pounds. I'm gonna try again tonight, see how it goes. But yeah, this is week 2. It was a little harder because we had to be in the road so much. And hold on, I put you right here, see if it works. And I'm so used to eating chips while I'm on the road, so that was really frustrating. I ate a lot of what are they called, pistachios. So it was just a little stressful because I don't think I was ready to be on the road for so many hours. But I mean, we managed to stay in the program. We managed to take our feelings and just not fall in the temptation. It was hard, but we managed to just keep going and hopefully reach our goal faster, so we can transition into other meals and so we can learn how to avoid it. But so far, thanks to the support of our coaches, we managed to stay on track, and actually went to eat with one of them, with Iwi's dad. He's our coach, and it was pretty good. Like, he told us what to get, what not to get, what works, and when we go out, it's pretty neat. Come on up, papi. Vámonos, vente, papá. Mi tía, mi pequeñito moto. Ay, mami, tingado. Let's call daddy so he can get you up. Tu cantado, mamá. Avery came to pick me out to school because I couldn't drop him off. So I had to pick up my van. Well, we're trying to decide if we want to eat here or just wait until we get home, but we're hungry.
Well, so we wouldn't have any meat. We would just have lettuce.
I thought you were going to get tuna too.
Just have salad.
This is what we're having for lunch. Lo que vamos a comer en el lunch. So we're enjoying our salad. We're about to. This is what my salad looked like. And we just wanted the pickles and lettuce with a little bit of the tuna and dressed. Pretty simple, man. I like to go extra. This is the dinner.
So what's the difference between the
Put it on. Póntelo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump. Bríncale. Bríncale, pa. Oh, belly, belly. Belly, belly. Se cae. Uh-oh. Yeah?
Like, you add that?
Toma. Look. Look. Thank you. Like this. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, you guys. Well, yesterday we stayed in Dakar for a little while, and then we were just chilling in the couch and with Link, and I didn't really get to record that much at night. We just gonna watch a movie, but I was doing homework and studying because I have a test today. So, well, a quiz. But it was like, it went so fast after that call that I didn't really do much. So I did weigh myself yesterday when I came home, and I was down to 231 which means that I lost 18 pounds so far in these 2 weeks, which is amazing. Now that I lost the 18 pounds, I was gonna say almost 20. Like my pants are fitting a lot better. Like my belly rolls are not rolling out of my pants, which is awesome because it was so frustrating. But it's still a work in progress. I'm not gonna stop yet. My goal is to get to 200 for now, and my future goal is to stay at 190, and we'll see how that goes. I'm really tall, like what, 5'10", 5'11", something like that. I'm really tall, so I really need to lose the weight, especially around my hips. And I believe after this week we can start working out. The only issue I have is that the doctor won't allow me, so I'm just gonna have to continue just with the meals, not working out. I mean, I haven't been working out, just whatever I walk out at work or school. But it's so easy. Like, you lose weight by just sitting in the couch and hanging out with the kids, so that's pretty neat. Right now, I can hear the little kitty. I'm gonna start getting ready. I have school. I have my American Sign Language in the morning, and then I have my health education, and then psychology. It's gonna be a busy schedule. Today is Avery's sister's birthday, so I don't know if we're gonna go and celebrate with them or what we're gonna do. I'll probably see him in the morning because that's where I leave Link. And I don't know if I mentioned, G is at his grandma's. It was just like Avery's mom has a van like me, but she has 4 kids, so we couldn't fit Link in the van. And I asked his mom if he could spend there a couple of days to watch him, and she said yeah. So he's at his grandma's playing with his cousins, so that's fun for him. I called him last night, and he was playing and watching movies, and so he was excited to be there. I miss him so much, but it's so hard sometimes when you don't have the daycare, and it's just, or like certain things like this happen. I was thinking altogether about not going to school, but I don't want to stop. I already started, might as well finish it. I'm gonna make myself my shake, pretty easy. Me voy a hacer mi licuadito, está bien fácil para el desayuno. I just added ice, and I'm ready to go. Strawberry shake for me today. You wanna knock on grandma's door? Knock. You wanna knock? Oh my god, Link is always so excited to come and visit grandma. He starts jumping and playing with the kids, so that's cute.
Hello?
Oh. I'm exhausted, and I have to wait because later I have a call with people from school. Hi. With people from school. No. Because I'm in this club, and it's really hard for all of us to meet at the same time, the same place. So we're just gonna do a video call. I'm embroidering a diaper. So that's what's gonna happen today. But I think that's it for tonight. I'm tired, and maybe in a little bit after the call I'll go to sleep. I don't think he's gonna go to sleep, but I am. I've been waking up so early, and I really need to make it to class tomorrow on time. Good night.
Good night.
Hi guys. Go, go, go. Let's go knock on the door. Here. Help me knock. 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 Good job. Good morning, you guys. On my way to school. I just dropped off Link. I'm thinking about G. I just dropped off Link at Avery's mom, so I'm gonna see if I can make it early to school because I'm always late, and I don't want to get kicked out or get in trouble, so I'm just trying to hurry up. This morning I had my chocolate shake, which was delicious, but I woke up too early. Like, I've been waking up at 5:20 in the morning every day, and I still cannot manage to get to school early because I have a lot of things to do and I just don't have enough time. So that's a little stressful for me because I know I have to do a lot of things, and I've been just horrible. And this morning I couldn't find my pills. I wanted to take my ibuprofen because yesterday I don't know what's going on, like my pain just flares up out of nowhere and it sucks. So I couldn't find my pills, but I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm gonna see if I can get more because I don't know where the heck they are. I lost them at the beach, I guess. I don't know, it was like weird. I had them in the diaper bag and they're not there anymore. So now I'm on my way to the doctor's. It's like going from here to there all the time. I'm in constant movement. So I have an appointment at 10 and I'm early. Yay! I'm at 9:45, 9:43, but I'm like 2 minutes away. So I'm still with the good time, and today's class was kind of fun. I mean, we got to sign to other people, and it was a little confusing at times, but you can always finger spell everything, so it makes it a lot easier if you actually know how, like, your ABCs. But I've been practicing a lot with Avery how to finger spell pretty much every sign we see in the road, so that's helpful. I don't know why every time I eat pistachios I feel like what is it, a perico, like those birds, green birds, I don't remember what they're called. Like, they stick their tongue out and they just try to get the seed. It's weird. Where are you going? Thank you. ¿Ya te vas? Bye. I'm so cold. Tengo frío. I think I forgot to mention like what the doctor said. He's feeling. The doctor said that I have a bulging disc, but it's like not so bad. She's just gonna send me to physical therapy. What are you doing, weirdo?
I'm trying to lay down, but I'm naked.
If you could only see. Well, it's because I didn't update. Like today, I was talking to Edith, and it was pretty fun. Like, just chilling, chatting. So hi. I don't know if you watch my videos here. But yeah. Well, stop rushing me.
Me quiero dormir.
I'm gonna record you in your
Tengo
choni.
sueño.
Whatever. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's a little late. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.